Hi, I'm Howard Brown. I'm a sales assistant here at America's Home Place in Fredericksburg, Virginia. I've been in sales roughly 35 years, and I love selling. I particularly love selling houses. I've sold quite a few different types of homes, and now I'm selling the stick-built homes, which I really enjoy. Stick-built homes are different than manufactured modular homes, mainly because we're building on site. The construction of a stick-built home is piece by piece. You're going to go from piece of paper and just start marking it up. And then because you're designing it on paper first, you can do redlining to make changes, which is a big plus. So you can go through this process of making sure that your family gets a house that's functional. However, the site conditions are going to add time to it. The first issue you're always going to be contending with is weather. If you have rainy season, let's say if it's raining day after day after day after day, when you start framing up a house, time is of the essence to get that house framed up and get it dried in before some severe rain comes in. Even if it stops raining, you may lose time because you got to wait for the soil to dry. So the weather is one of the biggest factors when you're building on site. Some of the other factors that you're going to run into when you're doing a stick-built home is proper measurements, and that's where your team comes in. You're relying on your contractors to measure correctly and to build accurately so that the house is going to be nice and level. At America's Home Place, we have fantastic partners that are building the home. Our contractors are just great, man. They're really good at making sure doors are operating properly and framing is level. It's an awesome build. So that's a concern, but it's manageable in construction as long as you have a good team. Getting supplies to the site is another concern when you're building stick by stick. You have to contend with, can we get the materials to this property? Because you're dealing with roof truss, and is it a hilly area? You have to go through tunnels? You got to bring in cement trucks, to pour your foundation and things like this. You have to be concerned about how do you get the materials to the site to even build. Luckily, we have a good management team, and we're able to manage those things, making sure that the materials are getting to the site. So those are primarily the concerns that the homeowners are faced with when they're building. Here at America's Home Place, we have a system in place based on a 50-year history that we manage that process very well. It's helping customers move into new homes day after day after day, and I love it.